Welcome, my name is Anna. I work in product development. Today we are going to show you how to get started on your Love Notes mystery quilt. So we have all of our fabric here ready to go. You have received your first section in the mail. You've opened it up and you are ready to go. So we're just going to show you how to stay organized with all your fabric, what you need to do to cut it and organize it so that whenever you're ready for every block you have everything that you need. So the cutting instructions can be found on pages 3 through 6 of your section 1 instructions. And so I've prepped a lot of this beforehand, cut everything out. I've organized that and my embellishment kit and cut everything out, organized it into my little baggies. So today I wanted to show you how to start from a fat quarter and cut it down to the cut sizes that you need that are indicated in your instructions. And so I kind of wanted to show you, if you turn to page 6 of your instructions, we have this really cool fabric cutting diagram. And so this shows all of the different fabrics you're going to have and the cut sizes that you need, and it will show you how to cut your sizes within your fabric requirements. And so we're going to start with this yellow dot fabric. So this is cut into a fat quarter, and as you can see, it's cut into 3 background pieces, and so I'm going to show you how to cut those down. So let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to lay your fat quarter out. I've laid it out with my 21 inches going this way and then my 18 inches this way. And so what you're going to do is you're going to measure up your 8.5 inches as indicated in the diagram, and you're just gonna trim this all the way across. So you'll take this top piece and you're just gonna kind of set it aside. So then you'll have this bottom section that's cut into an 8.5 by 6.5 inch piece. And so we'll just measure 6.5 inches over, trim that, and you have your first block cut. So this will go in your one of your camera blocks, and so you'll just fold this up. We're gonna stick it right inside of our little baggie here, and we are ready to rock and roll. So you'll just kind of go through your whole fabric kit and cut everything down, organize it into the little bags, and it's pretty simple. So the other thing that I wanted to do is to show you how to cut a directional fabric. So also on that list, you'll see a little example of all of the fabrics, and you'll see that some of them indicate that they are directional print fabrics. And so this shows you how your fabric needs to be laid so that you can cut it correctly so that it will be going the right direction. And so I kind of wanted to show you how to cut your directional fabric. So I have this gray stripe fabric that we're going to use, and so you'll just lay this out. Your first cut, you're going to measure over 14.5 inches. So we'll go ahead and trim this down. And this part you'll just set aside. And then we're going to turn our fabric this way. And then from the bottom edge right here, we're going to measure up 4.5 inches. Right across there. And this is the fabric that I need for my smile block. So it's a 14.5 inch by 4.5 inch block. So I will fold that up and it goes right into my little baggie there. So those are some tips and tricks to cutting fabrics and how to organize and make sure that you can be successful every time you pull a bag out and get ready to start your blocks. So good luck and thanks for joining us. Bye.